Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ella. I'm sorry I haven't posted for a while now, but today I'm back with another wonderful video for hair growth. So today I'll be showing us how to prepare DIY oil for hair growth using the following ingredients. As you can see, I have my mint leaves and my onions, fenugreek seeds and coconut oil. So before we dive into what we have for today, I want you to please hit the subscribe button below if you have not, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. So these are the main ingredients I'll be using for the preparation of this DIY oil for hair growth. So stay tuned and enjoy this video. So I blended my onions and my mint leaves as well as my fenugreek seeds. I added mint leaf because it's beneficial to the hair. It prevents hair fall and also dandruff as a result of its antimicrobial and antifungal property. Also, it improves blood circulation in the scalp, which promotes hair growth due to its antioxidant property. You can check out my previous videos because there I've talked about the benefit of onions and the fenugreek seeds. And at the end of this video, I'll be leaving a link of those videos. So now I'm going to add my oil into the pan. In this preparation, I'm using coconut oil, but you can actually use any oil of your choice. And you can add as much quantity as you want, depending on how much you want to produce. Okay, I'm going to add my blended onion. So after adding, I'm going to stir it and then add my mint leaf. So I will be adding my mint leaf and I'm going to stir it together. Keep stirring. I'm going to add my fenugreek seed. I blended it so that the nutrients can be able to fuse easily with the oil. So I'm going to stir it, keep stirring and stirring. I added organic green tea. This is actually optional. You can choose to use it or not. Okay? And I'm going to keep stirring in order to allow all the ingredients to mix properly. So now I'm going to bring it down and I'm going to allow it to cool for a while, and after that I'm going to extract it while it's still warm, because when it's cold it will be very difficult to extract the oil. I'm going to transfer the oil into the bottle. So this is the final product and this is how much oil I got. You can use this oil twice a week for rapid results. So that is it, guys. We have come to the end of today's video. Please Give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button below if you have not, and don't forget to leave a comment on what you think about this hair growth oil. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye.